Within our work in progress, we present the concept for a novel digital household account book with the feature to enable automatic receipt scanning instead of a manual entry process. So far, we did two studies. First, we did an online questionnaire with 142 participants to learn about the requirements for such a system. And in fact, the results support our initial idea that one of the problems is that it's too much effort to enter all the things manually. To enable the receipt scanning, we analyzed 117 German receipts to learn about their structure, content, and all this stuff, so that we can then scan later the receipts. And based on these things, we will now implement the prototype and then further analyze its usage.